Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of utility knives, specifically focusing on what I consider to be the best replacement blades. For your utility knife, the FEENIX 22050 30-pack 18mm utility knife replacement blades. If you've ever struggled with dull blades, you know how essential it is to have a reliable replacement on hand. Let's explore what makes these blades a must-have for every DIY enthusiast and professional alike. These replacement blades are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they remain sharp and durable even through heavy use. Each blade measures 18 mm and is designed for a wide range of cutting tasks, from slicing through cardboard and paper to tackling more challenging materials like plastic and even tape. What sets the FEENIX blades apart is their snap-off design. Each blade features pre-cut sections, allowing you to easily snap off segments to reveal a fresh, sharp edge. This is particularly useful for maintaining performance without the hassle of swapping out an entire blade. With 8 sharp points per blade, you can keep working without interruption. Here's a quick demo. Simply apply pressure to the pre-scored line and snap off the dull section. It's that easy. This feature not only maximizes the usability of each blade but also minimizes waste. You'll be amazed at how often a fresh edge can make all the difference in your projects. The FEENIX blades come in a bulk pack of 30, divided into 3 convenient reusable dispenser packs of 10 blades each. Each pack includes hang holes for easy storage, making it simple to keep your workspace organized. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on a job site, these blades will always be within arm's reach. Installation is a breeze. Just slide the blade into your retractable utility knife, and you're ready to go. The fit is secure, and the blades are compatible with most standard utility knives on the market. This versatility means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues, allowing you to focus on getting the job done. The FEENIX replacement blades are not just about practicality, they also enhance safety. With a sharp blade, you can make cleaner cuts, which reduces the risk of slipping and injury. Whether you're cutting through thick cardboard boxes or making intricate cuts for crafts, these blades provide the precision you need. So, why should you choose the FEENIX 22050 replacement blades? The answer is simple: reliability, convenience, and performance. With a stellar reputation and positive feedback from users, these blades have proven themselves as a top choice among utility knife users. Plus, at just $7.99 for 30 blades, you're getting exceptional value. In conclusion, if you're on the lookout for the best replacement blades for your utility knife, look no further than the FEENIX 22050 30-pack 18mm utility knife replacement blades. They combine quality, efficiency, and affordability in one impressive package. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product insights. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Happy cutting, and see you next time.